Can't delete a logo in PowerPoint no matter what you try? Here's how to fix it. The first method is to remove it in Slide Master view. Right now, the logo can't be deleted, but simply go to View Slide Master. Delete the logo, then close Slide Master, and it's gone. But what if you want some slides to have a logo and others without one? Create a new layout, cut the logo from the first layout, and paste it into another layout. After closing Slide Master, you can create new slides, then right-click the slide and choose the layout that has or doesn't have the logo. It's actually very simple. What if you still can't delete it in Slide Master view? You open Slide Master and it's still not removable. That's because the logo is part of the background image and has been embedded into the slide background. Simply choose Format Background, then change Picture or Texture Fill to Solid Fill. The logo disappears instantly. What if you have a slide like this? The logo can't be deleted, you check Slide Master, and there's nothing there. That's because this specific slide has its own background image applied. Right-click on a blank area, and if you see Save Background, it means a picture background is being used. Just go to Format Background, change Picture or Texture Fill to Solid Fill, and the logo will disappear immediately. The last situation is the easiest one. The logo may simply be grouped with other objects. Just ungroup it, and the logo becomes a separate object. Then you can delete it normally. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.